Hello everyone, welcome back. Is there anything better than walking into a home that smells like absolute heaven? Bath & Body Works is famous for their incredible scents, but with so many options, which ones are actually worth your money? In this video, we've tested and ranked the top 5 Bath & Body Works candles for this time. Let's find your next signature home scent. Let's start with a heavy hitter, the Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity. Often called the official scent of luxury, this candle is famous for its rich, masculine, and woodsy aroma. If you've ever walked into a high-end boutique or a 5-star hotel lobby and wondered why it smells so good, this is likely why. It features a deep blend of rich mahogany, black teakwood, and dark oak. Because this is the high-intensity version, the fragrance is boosted, meaning it can fill a large, open-concept living room in under 10 minutes. It's bold, it's sophisticated, and it's the perfect choice for someone who wants their home to have a powerful, signature presence that lingers long after the flame is out. Next up is the Bubbly and Bright Champagne Toast. This is arguably one of the most popular scents in the entire Bath & Body Works history. It's a sparkling, sweet, and fruity masterpiece. Imagine a mix of chilled champagne, juicy berries, and a zesty splash of tangerine. What makes this candle a winner for a full minute of praise is its versatility. It's perfect for a kitchen to cut through cooking smells, great for a bedroom for a happy vibe, or even a bathroom for a fresh feel. It's not cloying or too sugary. Instead, it has a crispness that makes it feel energetic. If you're looking for a crowd pleaser that almost everyone will love, this is the safest and most delicious bet. Product number 3, Bath & Body Works Eucalyptus Mint. Moving into the fresh category, we have Eucalyptus Mint. This is the ultimate clean house candle. If you've had a busy week and finally cleaned your space, lighting this is the final touch you need. It combines fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, and just a touch of lemon zest. The mint provides a cooling sensation to the air, while the eucalyptus adds a herbal, medicinal quality that actually makes the room feel breathable. It's incredibly airy and light. I recommend this for weekend mornings when you're drinking coffee and want the house to feel revitalized. It's also excellent for neutralizing pet odors or stale air, making your home feel like a sanctuary of freshness. Now, let's talk about a candle that's actually designed for your well-being, the aromatherapy stress relief. Unlike other candles that are just for smell, this one uses high-quality essential oils like eucalyptus and spearmint to actually help calm your mind. The scent profile is similar to the eucalyptus mint, but deeper and more herbal. When you light this, the spearmint acts as an uplifting agent to clear your thoughts, while the eucalyptus works on relaxation. It's my top recommendation for a nightstand candle. Whether you're doing skincare, meditating, or winding down after a stressful 9-to-5, this candle sets the mood for peace. It's a literal spa day in a 3-wick jar. Product number 5, Bath & Body Works Fresh Cut Lilacs. Finally, for the floral lovers, we have Fresh Cut Lilacs. Many floral candles to smell fake or like cheap perfume, but this one is different. It smells like a literal bouquet of flowers sitting on your table. It captures the authentic scent of dewy lilac petals, soft violet, and a hint of spring air. It is incredibly romantic and soft. If you live in an apartment and miss having a garden, this candle brings the outdoors inside. The throw is surprisingly strong for a floral scent, meaning the sweet, flowery aroma will drift from room to room. It's perfect for springtime or whenever you need a reminder that warmer, brighter days are ahead. It's pure elegance.